All right, so suppose you want to solve a question like this. What is the area of an equilateral triangle whose inscribed circle has radius 2 centimeter? So what you want to do first is to draw a triangle that is all sides equal. That's an equilateral triangle. Then get yourself a circle inside of it that is inscribed. Then the circle have to have a center. Now the formula to do this kind of question is 1 over 2 times the perimeter of the triangle times the radius of the circle inscribed, that is in radius. So let's get started by saying, if I want to consider the radius of this circle, which is 2 centimeters, that means from the center to any part of the circumference. Okay, and let's call the point where the radius is meeting the triangle, let's call it a point M. And at this point, the base of the triangle is divided into 2 equal parts. So let's call the M a midpoint. And because it's an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, which is equivalent to saying that all the angles are equal, right? So if I should trace down the center to one part of the triangle, you will see that the 60 can be successfully divided into 30-30. Interesting that we can consider this triangle, and remember from the basis of your trigonometry of the special angle for 30 degrees, the opposite is 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and the adjacent is root of 3, which is also safe to say that whatever value the opposite want to be, the hypotenuse will be the twice of it, and the adjacent will be the root 3 multiple of it, which means that in this case, considering the triangle we are working with, our opposite is 2 centimeters, which is equivalent to our x. Then our hypotenuse will be 4. Then the adjacent will be 2 root 3. So let's go back to our triangle, which means that this part of the triangle will be 2 root 3, and the other side will be 2 root 3. So from the first to the last point of the triangle, here will be 4 root 3. And because it is equilateral, all sides will be 4 root 3. Then we are almost done, which means that if I want to compute the perimeter, it's just adding all the sides together. 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3, that's 12 root 3. Then I can compute my area that is required. 1 over 2 times the perimeter, which is root 3, times the radius of the circle inscribed, which is 2. 2, we cancel 2, and the final answer will be 12 root 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.